RENOZEB is a European-funded project of 19 partners from 9 European countries, representing the construction industry, academia and property owners, united in a single mission to unlock the renovation market for nearly zero-energy building.
These have been achieved by targeting the development of a one-stop-shop facade system, facilitating the near-to-zero-energy building renovation, improving the comfort, and increasing property value. Buildings are a key factor for reaching the European Commission target for climate neutrality by 2050. Currently, an estimated 75% of EU buildings are energy inefficient. The annual average energy renovation rate is 1%, with deep energy renovations accounting for only 0.2 to 0.3%. Considering the slow addition of new constructions to the building stock, stepping up renovation works to improve the energy efficiency of existing buildings is crucial. For this, the construction industry has to overcome various obstacles: expensive retrofitting processes, complex workflows, several uncertainties in the process, and disturbances for the building occupants, like a long process or even having to move out. That's where RENOZEB comes in by developing innovative, holistic, cost-effective, and fast, deep retrofitting methodologies for nZEB. This includes a non-intrusive, prefabricated, multifunctional modular plug-and-play facade system, digital tools to support the decision-making process for selecting the best energy-efficient renovation strategy, and the new collaborative methodologies for the value chain actors in the nZEB building renovation action. The real and virtual demonstration cases ensure the replicability of the approach to different building types and climates. The buildings were monitored before and after the nearly zero-energy building renovation to demonstrate the system's efficiency and the improvement in user comfort. Let's learn more about the demo sites directly from responsible partners. Why did you find the renovation necessary?
This house, it's built in late 80s. Before the renovation, the energy consumption, it was around 230 kilowatts per square meter. After the renovation, we got around 120 kilowatts per square meter. So also the indoor quality, it was a problem, but the building it is only 2 stories high. So the natural ventilation isn't like working in our case so good. Yeah, these are the main things.
Do you think it was an easy experience for the construction company to use the new technology?
This company who we got, they had a cool warehouse and to sort all these panels out. So this was a good thing that we got this local company, and they were quite independent. They thought the solutions on site.
Which difficulties did you encounter apart from COVID? Any lessons learned?
So many small things, if we are making a technical design, for example, the windows part was difficult for us. The windows got 7 centimeters in some places, more smaller, and we had 2 windows, the original windows and then the foggy windows installed at the same time. So the apartment owners saw the difference, and the difference it was like really big. When construction company made all the finishes, then the change, it wasn't so like seeable, or it wasn't so big, so everything worked out. But
Are you happy with the results? Do they meet your initial expectations?
the overall experience is good, and the house looks good. The apartment owners already are saying that the air is more pure.
Why did you find the renovation necessary?
El edificio en sí estaba en una situación óptima de mantenimiento, es decir, que lo único que le faltaba para que fuera un edificio adaptado y eficiente era realizar las mejoras medioambientales que a través de este proyecto RENOZEB se podrían dar.
What is your overall experience?
Desde el punto de vista técnico, yo diré que ha sido una experiencia intensa, pero también interesante, ¿no? Participando de la mano de muchas empresas y con conocimientos técnicos de vanguardia, pues hemos aprendido a nivel técnico. Yo creo que ha sido una apuesta importante, experiencia buena.
Are you happy with the results? Do they meet your initial expectations?
Y en este momento sí puedo decir que estoy contenta con la transformación. O sea, veo el edificio y el impacto que genera en mí a nivel técnico y personal, después de todo el esfuerzo y la dedicación, pues es bueno, es positivo. Ha costado, pero está conseguido.
For more information, visit the RENOZEB website and follow the project's latest news on all social platforms.